Today we're stopping at the highest point on the Big Walker Mountain National Scenic Byway. Today we're at Big Walker Lookout.
And by the looks of it, it's maybe not the sturdiest thing in the world. Is it really just resting on a pile of rocks?
Today might be our last day on Earth.
And, there's a huge lookout tower here that apparently on a clear day, like today, you can see 5 different states. So it might be the last thing we see, but let's try it out.
Big Walker Lookout is about 20 minutes outside of Wytheville, Virginia. Nestled in the Blue Ridge Mountains, it's been a family-owned and operated business since 1947, with the lookout tower being its main attraction.
Before we risk it all to climb up the tower, there is a country store here next to the lookout, which I've never actually been to a country store before, I don't think.
Yeah, I guess the closest thing I've been to is a Cracker Barrel gift shop.
Fair enough, but apparently this is an authentic country store. They're already playing like bluegrass music outside, so it sounds legit, but let's look inside. The country store is where you buy your tickets for the lookout tower, but it's also a great place to go if you need some chairs or pretty much anything in the shape of a bear or locally made jams and apple butter.
Let's see if we can find our home states.
All right.
I see Alaska. I
Now
don't
we're
see Maine yet.
Yeah. Maine, where are you at? So we have Alberta, but we don't have Maine. All right. Are you ready for this?
Guess so. We may live, we may die.
We will find out. I can't look up. Ooh! This 100-foot tower is definitely not something we'd recommend if you're afraid of heights or have any self-respect, which we obviously didn't when we decided to climb it, even after all of the red flags.
See you up top.
You can actually like feel the tower moving a little bit as you're walking up it.
Getting my steps in today. Oh, good workout. Oh, jeez. I'm losing my balance. The 5 states you can supposedly see from up here are Virginia, West Virginia, North Carolina, Tennessee, and Kentucky. Here's more geography for you. Blue Ridge Mountains are towards the east, rolling farmlands are to the north, and Jefferson National Forest is to the south.
It doesn't help that it's windy because you can actually just feel the tower rocking. Is it just me or is it getting windier? We made it, had a great time.
Yeah.
But I think it's time to go down on the ground.
Very windy. Like I could just fly off of this tower.
I know, like, alright. Alright. I've never walked downstairs so fast in my life.
We have earned this sticker.
Sure have. There's a little lookout right across the street. So it's on the ground. It's much easier to get to. Another safer alternative to the tower is the swinging bridge. Alright, first of all, ignore the mess. We are on a road trip. Now that we've had our fun, we are going to find a local place in Wytheville to eat.
We were going to check out this place called 1776 Log House Restaurant, but they had a devastating fire several months ago, and they're closed until spring for renovations. So instead, we're going to try out this place called Grayson Restaurant.
Let's check it out. In keeping with the Cracker Barrel theme, I got pretty much exactly what I usually order at Cracker Barrel: country ham, mashed potatoes with brown gravy, and green beans. I'd give it 8 out of 10.
I got chicken tenders, crinkle fries, and baked beans. I'd give my meal a 6 out of 10, but I will say I regret not ordering something like Anne got.
Well, that concludes our Big Walker trip. I'm glad that we survived and we got to taste some local food.
And now we're headed back home.